Hello, and welcome to a brand new edition of Triple Chips Down the Hatch 2. For today, this is season 2 of the pizza vlogs. We're going to be doing some more Dr. Oetker again. It's going to be the Dr. Oetker GIUSEPPE PIZZERIA thin crust. This one's a brand new flavor. It's the beef taco. It's got beef, tomatoes, sour cream, and green onions. And that's proudly made in Canada. So we're going to put it in and it comes in a variety of 8 other flavors: Canadian, deluxe, 5 cheese, Hawaiian, Parisian, pepperoni, 4 meat, and spinach. But the one we have is the beef taco. Beef taco, and man, that looks good. And that's what we're dealing with. So it says you want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to bake that for 18 to 20 minutes. And allow it to stand 3 minutes before eating it, because it's going to be very hot. Okay, and that is 250 calories per 1/5 of a pizza. So that's a total of 1,250 calories for the whole pizza. So what we're going to do, we're going to get some parchment paper, put it on here. And we might as well preheat our oven right now, and that was at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's preheat that oven. So we're just going to hit the bake button. Get that up to 400s. We got our oven heating up. So let's just take this out of the box so we can show you guys. Okay. It's a little bit thawed out. Doesn't look like there's any parchment on it, so we're going to have to get some parchment paper on our tray. Always try to use this if you can, because it's going to make your life a lot easier when you want to eat this pizza off that tray. So just simply put it on here, wrap it around a bit. I'll show you guys what the pizza looks like when it's up here. So that's what we're dealing with when it's frozen. We're just going to put it on the tray here, and then we'll be throwing the oven once that hits 400 degrees. Simply gonna rip this open. It's a little bit soft because I let this thaw out a bit. I'm watching some YouTube, watching some TripleChip, checking out some other content out there. Oh, this looks good. Don't lose any of that goodness. A little bit's already falling off, but get transferred onto here. That goodness on there. Okay, we're at 135 now. But if you guys haven't seen, I have a season 1, and there was, I believe, 5 vlogs in my first pizza season. This is season 2, episode 1. Excuse me. So this is going to be the start of our, it might not be all pizza ones in a row. I might mix it up with some other stuff, but I'm going to, this will be season 2, episode 1, and we'll continue from there. But don't think the next video is going to be another pizza one. Probably be something different. I'm just going to try and do a little bit different this time. But okay, so I'll be right back with you guys when we hit 400 degrees, and then we'll fire this pizza in the oven. So just hang right on. I'll be right back. Little interesting fact, we're getting close. 255, we got to hit 400, but I'm just looking, I just bought this towards the end of June, and it goes to, you see that, it's good until April 7th, 2021, so that's about 8 or 9-10 months long as you put this in the freezer. I picked this up for, I believe it was on sale for $4.44 at the No Frills. Regular price usually about $6.99, $7.99, just depending on where you go. But this is brand new as far as I know. I've never seen this one ever before, and I'm a big lover of Mexican food. I love tacos. That's like one of my favorite foods. So it's looking like this is gonna taste like a taco. Look, you got your hamburger there, you got tomatoes, you got your sour cream. Looks like a couple different types of cheese. Looks very delicious. But it's gonna look so much better when that's cooked though. So another 100 degrees to go. We'll fire it in, and then we're gonna have to wait. It says 18 to 20 minutes. 18 to 20. There's all your nutritional facts if you're so interested in that. And what I know from Dr. Oetker, these are usually fairly good pizzas. Like when we did season 1 of the pizza vlogs, Dr. Oetker were phenomenal. It was a different brand of the Dr. Oetker. It wasn't these Giuseppe. I don't know if I'm saying right. Giuseppe's. But very good pizza. Like I was a big fan of Delicio, but these guys are taking it by a mile. These guys have got some good quality products. So, but $4.44 at the No Frills this week. So it's not a bad price for a. It's about a 12-inch pizza. So you can probably get 4 to 8 slices out of that. Probably 4 good size, 8 smaller ones. So we're gonna be firing this in here. Just hang on a minute, and we'll be. I guess you guys can just wait. It's not that much longer. So it's kind of nice to see it's been nice out lately. It seems like you still got to do the social distancing, but it's getting to be a little bit more tolerable. Like, wish you didn't have to do it, but just trying to follow the rules. So, but it's been nice now that it's summer now, longer days. What have you guys been doing? I've been doing a lot of lawn cutting. Like the lawn, I got to do it twice a week now. It's just growing like wildfire. But trying to do some renovations. I got some more of my garage roof done. Gonna try and buckle that up as long as it doesn't rain anymore and get that done and over with. I got a bathroom to reno. This kitchen I'm standing in, that's a future one. That's a bigger one. So I think we're just gonna throw it in right now. I'm kind of tired of waiting. We're pretty close. We're at 375 now, so we're just gonna fire it in right now. So get that oven ready. Not such a big deal on the oven mitts until you go to take it out. Like, it is very hot, but we're gonna fire it in. We're at 380 now, and here we go. She goes. We'll be right back at you when we're taking it out, and then we'll be sampling some. So catch you. Stay tuned. I'll catch you right away. And we're back. Timer just went off. Let's take a look at the pizza. Ooh, looks like she's ready to go. So we're just gonna throw on some oven mitts and pull that out. This is probably do mine, so I gotta hold this camera here. So. Ooh. And that's what we're dealing with. Check that out. Doesn't that look delicious? We're just gonna grab a pizza cutter and cut this up. I'll just have to position you guys. Not position you guys, gotta position my camera so I can cut this. I need 2 hands. I like cutting it small all the time, so let's get, whoa, we got some other glove there. Ooh, look at that cheesy goodness. That'd be good. to hold them yet. Let's get a piece on that plate right there. See that? One there. Grab these other ones. That is hot. Whew. Look at that goodness on there. See the steam just rolling off it. Hang on there. Okay, so we're gonna try it out. That's what we're dealing with. Check that out. Oh, it's glory. Okay, we're gonna try it out now. Mm-hmm. I'm getting a sheetful. That is very good pizza. Look at all the hamburger on there. I just love Mexican. So I'll definitely give that a big thumbs up. 2 big thumbs up. I just can't give you the second one because I'm holding the camera. But if you like what you've seen here, why not give it a big thumbs up just like I did? And make sure to like and subscribe. Because I need the subscribers. Like, I keep harping about that. But it'd be nice to get more subscribers. Like, so any of you guys that are watching are new, it'd be nice if you subscribe. There's plenty of content. Tongue-tied here. There's plenty of content coming your way. We don't just do pizza. I just love pizza. So I've been doing a lot of pizza. So. And for future notification, make sure to ring that bell notification button and click it all. That way you have, anytime I do one of these videos, it'll just pop right up. So until next time, have a great day and happy eating. Vlog over. Like what you seen in this video? Why not check out some of my other videos? To be posted somewhere on this. Just click on one of the boxes. It'll be older videos. Series that I have. Be sure to check them out. If you see a round circle with my noggin in there, just click on that and you automatically subscribe. So until next time, have a great day. Bye for now.